Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you double exposure effect on Canva. So first things first, go to uploads on the left panel and then click on upload files to add your images. Now after uploading your images, drag the first image onto the canvas, adjust the image by slightly resizing it and positioning it in the center. Now let's add a second image. For this, click on add page at the bottom to insert a new blank page and then drag the second image onto this new page. Now scroll the image slightly to adjust the framing and then move it to the left side of the page. Once it is positioned correctly, go to the download button at the top right and select PNG format and then click on download. Next, go to the uploads and click upload files and bring the downloaded image back into the Canva and drag it onto the canvas and position it properly. Now let's add a reflection to the second image. On the left panel, click on Apps and then type Easy Reflections in the search bar and select the app. Make sure the second image is selected, then click on Create Reflection. On the Settings panel, set an opacity to 100. After that, click on Apply. Now this will create a nice mirror effect. Next, what you have to do is delete the original second image and keep the reflected one. With the reflection in place, flip the image horizontally by clicking on Flip in the top toolbar. Now slightly increase its size by dragging the corners and position it on the right side of the canvas. Also slightly increase the head size by scaling up to enhance the look. Now let's add the text. For this, click on text in the left panel and then choose add a heading. Type in your desired text after that and then select a modern font. And here's the final result. Link in description to try Canva Pro for free.